Interesting to see how Surya starts his fight in terms of stance. Is he going to have that same wide stance that he has in MMA, or is it going to change up a little bit? Indications are it's a little bit different, but definitely not Muay Thai.
No, it's not. It's not Muay Thai. It's the first time he's trying it as well, so he's gonna have a few challenges. I'll tell you what, though, Surya, if he moves fast enough, he might have the advantage over here.
Yeah, Surya putting a lot of fluid movement together, landing a lot of different weapons. It's a very unusual kind of fight to fight. I doubt you're going to get much looks in sparring that look like him. Ooh, a little clash of heads, it looked like almost.
That sounded very heavy.
Beautiful teeps there from Koshish Shrestha to escape the corner.
Trying to sweep the leg, Koshish Shrestha. Nice low leg kick outside. Now a teep attempt by Surya.
Koshish just taking his time, sizing it up. Trying to figure out what this guy's all about, I'm assuming.
Ooh, big right hand by Koshish Shrestha. Body kick lands on the guard though.
Yeah. Surya very unorthodox. Moves very
and he's got his hands down.
Unusually keeps his guard down. But Koshish, when he catches him and Surya freezes, he can get off a few punches, and that's where he's doing his work. There again, landed one and can land multiple after that. Yeah.
See, this is the problem, right? Surya not keeping his hands up. He's exposing himself like he just did. This is the thing I like about Koshish, He'll come at you, he'll come at you, he'll make his damage, he'll create an opportunity, and he'll make sure you reel from that.
Very different to Koshish's first fight at KFL, where he just started off with brawling in front of the first. Oh, and he caught him with the 2 punches there. Surya is very durable, though.
Surya seems to, even though it's unusual, Koshish seems to have made the read. Now picking him off pretty easily, landing that right hand at will.
And Surya hits the flow.
The head movement's not really bamboozling him at all.
And a standing count here in the first round for Surya. Yes, Koshish landed 2 punches clean. That wobbled him.
The look on Koshish's face is like, yeah, I know I have this now. But he needs to be careful going in for the kill. Surya not completely steady on his feet.
Less than 30 seconds to go in this round, and Surya is already out of breath.
Koshish using his boxing. Oh, there you go, another one. And Surya charges in now.
Koshish cannot get reckless trying to finish this fight.
That's exactly what he wants to do, though.
Man, and just like last time, the Nepalis such good with their dirty boxing. Don't let you come to get a clinch. Work in through there, landing stuff of note.
Ooh, he connects that one then.
And the end of the first round, folks.
Just going by the body language, Surya looks rattled. Surya looks absolutely rattled, and he looks tired too. He needs to dig deep, and Koshish connects one there.
Ooh, something did catch Koshish there. He got caught with a right head kick.
There you go.
He got caught with a right head kick that has split him open a little bit.
But this is what needs to be done. This is exactly what needs to be done, because Surya needs to brawl. He needs to brawl over here.
Oh, and now Koshish Shrestha getting a standing count for the first time, I believe.
I think what might have happened is maybe the toe went up the nose actually and caused a cut inside it the way that he's squirting. Back in there and let's keep going.
Let them settle it.
Yeah.
But you know what? This is exactly what I was talking about earlier. As a Surya needed to do something. He needed to brawl. If he is to win this against a guy like Koshish, he has to brawl. The referee says all good to go. We're off.
Ooh, shin to shin there.
Koshish coming back strong. Now we're talking. Now there's momentum.
Surya taking a lot of punches because he does not have his hands up. He's trying to rely on his head movement.
No, this guy.
And Koshish not as defensively sound as he was in that earlier round as well.
But there's a lot of blood. Now he's got the distraction of wiping the blood and also having to battle Surya off as well. So there's a lot going on for Koshish at this point. Both these guys need to focus. Both these guys need to be extremely alert. Surya at this point looking to take on Koshish, puts him to a corner.
Ooh, a question mark kick attempt by Surya.
That head kick did get through a little bit.
That second knee. Surya threw that knee, but he didn't land the second knee though.
Yeah, Kosh is spitting out his own blood. It's dripping out of his nose and into his mouth. You know, these guys are warriors.
Honestly.
But this all plays in your mind, you know. You taste your own blood, you're going to react. You're a human being.
Oh, a kick to the face by Surya. Kosh is bloodier than ever.
This is
Before, my goodness.
Sorry. But this is fantastic. This is Surya playing to his strength. He knew he had the speed. He knew he had the agility. And this is the only way. Oh, check that out.
I believe that was
a bit of a sweep.
Yep, a Muay Thai sweep.
This is some fantastic.
Man, and this is why we love this sport. That one head kick, drawing blood and changing the entire complexion of the fight.
I believe Kosh ate a big right hand by Surya.
And that knee did land coming in.
At this point, it looks like Koshish is out of sorts.
The Nepal is calling for him to survive this round.
But he can't.
What an uppercut puts Surya down on his knees. Bleeding, looking like he's completely out.
He's a little bit
said,
wobbly, but
Lord, I might be cut open, I might be bleeding, but I'm not out. Good morning, take this, he says. Now, we're on even ground.
And
what
the fight
just happened? That's what I said. This man does not give up. This man is a brawler. He's a marauder. He knows a thing or two about coming from the depths of the defense.
The second round, declaring your winner by TKO, representing Team Nepal, Koshish Shrestha.